Here's the solution to Math 222, Quiz 7. Number 1. So determine the height of a tree. A person stands 40 feet from the tree. Okay. Angle of elevation is 37 degrees. Find the height to the nearest whole number. All right, so here's the picture. This is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. So it looks like tangent. Tangent 37 degrees is x over 40. Multiply both sides by 40. X is 40, tangent 37 degrees, which is approximately 30 feet. Number 2, reference angle for 1013. I subtract off 720 degrees, which is 2 revolutions. That lands me at 293. So I know this is 270, so 293 lands me in quadrant 4. So the reference angle is 360 minus 293, which is 67 degrees. Number 3, you have negative 23 over 5 pi. So I added 30 pi over 5 because that's 6 pi. That's 3 revolutions forward. So that'll be coterminant with 7 pi over 5. So where's 7 pi over 5? Well, I know that this is pi, which is 5 pi over 5. So 5 pi over 5, I go another 2 pi over 5. That lands me at 7 pi over 5. So this reference angle here is 2 pi over 5. And number 4, the amplitude is 2. The period is 2 pi over 3. Shift is pi over 6 to the right and 1 up. So I have one period. One period would be from 0 to 2 pi over 3, but I'm shifting pi over 6. So I add pi over 6 to this and this. So I get one period from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6. The range, the normal range for y in a basic sine or cosine function is -1 to 1. Amplitude is 2, so I multiply by 2, but then I add 1 because of the vertical shift. So it's -2 to 2 plus 1. So I have one period from -1 to 3. All right, so I'm going from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6. It's easier if I take the denominator be 12. So here's 2 pi over 12, 10 pi over 12. Halfway is 6 pi over 12, which is pi over 2. Halfway between these two is 4 pi over 12, which is pi over 3. Halfway between these two is 8 pi over 12, or 2 pi over 3. So here's pi over 6, pi over 3, pi over 2, 2 pi over 3, 5 pi over 6. It is a sine function that's negative, starts off with a negative, so it goes midline, minimum, midline, maximum, midline. So pi over 6 comma midline, which is 1. So quarter of the way, minimum, back to midline, maximum, midline. So the graph looks something like this. All right, so this is quiz 7 of Math 222.